First you take your mobile. Any Android mobile should have 1 GB, 2 GB or 3 GB. This game can be played. Then you open Google Chrome on your mobile, go to Google Chrome and write Summertime Saga APK. And go to their official website. If you scroll down a little, you will see that there is a download option. Click there, and as soon as you click there, you will see that there is a download option for Android. There is a download option for Android iOS. Since I have an Android phone, we will download it on Android phone from here. Upload the mega, mix, drop, work, upload whatever you want, download it from there and start playing.